construction. We wanted to do a quick DIY video on how to change out a light switch. So we got a demo wall here with an old light switch hooked up. First thing you want to do is disconnect the power supply to it so that it doesn't turn anything on. No lights, no switches, no fans. What we're going to do is you're going to need a flat head and a Phillips head. Take the faceplate screws off. Save the screws and faceplate. Phillips head to take the switch out. Should be two screws holding it in, one at the top, one at the bottom. Now that we've got that taken off, pull it out a little. One side you'll have a green screw. That's your copper ground wire. The top black wire goes to your light or fan. Unscrew that, unhook it. Your bottom black wire is your power supply from the breaker box. Unhook that, set that aside. Pull out our brand new switch. We'll hook the top black back up on the top. Screw it in. Make sure you put your hook on the wire counterclockwise on the screw so it stays connected to the screw as you're screwing it down. Black wire from the power supply back on the bottom. Hook your ground back up to the green, counterclockwise. Tighten it down. Simply screw the top screw back in place. Screw the bottom one in. I like to straighten it up as best as possible. Now the old faceplate that was on here was a mismatched color. It was matching the wall, but the switch was white, so the wall was originally white. So to make it all look nice and match, we're going to put a new white color on it. Put the two screws in. And that's a simple video on how you do an outlet replacement or a switch replacement, depending on what you're working on. Next week we'll do a quick DIY video on how to do an outlet. Be sure to check that out. Make sure not to tighten your screws down too tight. You'll crack the faceplate. Now all you have to do is go down to your basement or go upstairs and turn the breaker back on and it'll work. If you have any questions, you can check out our Facebook page, check out our website, give us a call. We can come out and do a free estimate for you and get you going. Thanks a lot.